Gemini, siyabheka-ke ukuthi wena, what does the month of February hold in store for you? So this it's about air signs. So Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Gemini, wena-ke again i-influence of Mercury vuleka your intellectual abilities, kuvuleka i-communication yakho. Wena i-new moon ikulethele a new spark, a breath of fresh air. So abantu abaningi, they are chopping this off, changing that, blah 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 blah. Wena nje, it's like excitement, spark of energy, communication, authenticity, and nje, you are just being you. That's so nice. I-self-expression yakho nje is improving, and you know ukuthi-ke when i-self-expression improves, that means i-creativity yakho iya-improve. So I can absolutely see you wrapping up certain projects, ama-creative projects, izinto obuzenza. Maybe you are writing a book, maybe kunento oyiqalile ibhizinisi osulubonayo ukuthi okay manje it's ready to ukuthi ufake i-energy yakho kulo. You've been setting the scene, ubulungisa yonke into, it's ready for ukuthi manje ulaunch out there, libonwe abanye abantu. Whatever it is, now is the time. Now it's the time to ukuthi capitalize on yonke into obuloku uyenza. Put it out there for as a presentation. Launch izinto zakho and then see where it takes you. Kuhle-ke ukuthi-ke you feel more confident in uku-expressa i-intelligence yakho, in uku-expressa izinto oyicabangayo. But i-issue lana ukuthi bese ukhuluma kakhulu, you end up stumbling over your own words because manje you just want to prove yourself, ubonakalise ubuhlakani bakho, usugcina usho izinto ey'ningi ngesikhathi esisodwa. Pace yourself. Awujahile ndawo and you are not performing. You are not awukho stage lana awuperformi. You are just presenting izinto ozaziyo. You are presenting ubuwena. So it's not a performance, it's just life. Amagama akho are powerful. Just understand nje lokho before anything. U-understand ukuthi wena mawukhuluma amazwi akho afike ahlale kulo muntu osuke ukhuluma kuye and ayawenza umehluko. So asikho isidingo for you to overprove yourself or to over explain izinto or nje yabona ukuthi for you to do too much in order for whatever into oyi-communicateayo ukuthi yenze umehluko. Guys, sengifuna ukuthi-ke ngiyi-wrap up lento le. I'm not feeling well, so I'm just going to be checking in with ama-notes ami just to make sure ukuthi I get everything. Isifuba sami siyaqala siyangicindezela. So Gemini, yabona izinto zakho kakhulu kulonyaka, not kulonyaka lona, kulenyanga lena, is that zinomnyakazo. And wena obviously you know ukuthi-ke la uqhaqhile vele. So and izinto zakho ziyakuvulela ukuthi-ke usocialize. So phuma laphayana uyohlangana nabantu who are like-minded. And again, kuyakuvulela izinto zakho ze-spirituality. So whatever insights owatholayo, izinto ezikuvelelayo ngaphakathi kwakho, just go with the flow. Akudingi ukuthi-ke uthathe izinto ze-spirituality and overthink them. Sometimes you don't need to intellectualize everything. You are intellectualizing ama-emotions, you are intellectualizing spirituality. No, allow izinto nje ukuthi-ke ziflow without taking them ukuthi zizoqala laqala so that zizomake sense in your head first. No. So with Uranus going direct in Taurus, yabona ku-activate i-subconscious yakho. So I think we saw this in with Virgo. So kune-focus on you having to ukuthi-ke uhile. I-intuition yakho-ke lana izokhuphuka. Yabona kunama-breakthroughs that are going to be happening empilweni yakho, but just allow them ukuthi-ke, even if they are quiet, just understand ukuthi they have to come in like that. Ane-impact even when they come in like that, and anamandla kakhulu uma ngabe evela ngaleyo ndlela. So kunovalo, well not uvalo, but kunama-fears, kunezinto obuloku uyisaba, kunezinto yabona nje obuyikholwa ebezikuvimbayo ey'ntweni ey'ningi obungakwazi ukuthi uzenze, but because of lama-beliefs obunawo ugcine take advantage of what was in front of you, ama-opportunities ebepresentwa kuwe by the universe. So you are breaking free of ama-habits and yeah, I like this. I like this energy. I really like this energy for wena. Yeah, make sure ukuthi-ke amaphupho akho awazibi. Kunezinto ezizokuvelela emaphupheni akho ezibaluleke kakhulu on how to move forward njengoba singena ku-eclipse season. Yazi kuzobe kune-clarity oyitholayo through ama-spiritual insights and through amaphupho akho. So lezo zinto lezo ungayithathi kancane. Ngisho noma kuthiwa ubona ngazathi uzokhohlwa, thatha ipeni nephepha and write down yonke into. So uzoba tempted ukuthi-ke whatever shifts that are coming into your life uloku wa-overthink. Angithi sikhulumile about-ke ukuthatha yonke into uloku uyiprocessa lana, but otherwise nje trust your inner knowing. Ungaloku analyze izinto manje uze ube yabona ungakwazi manje ukuthi-ke umuve. Don't do that. Yabona izinto zakho ziya-resetha lana, ziya-resetha, and manje yabona this energy of Aquarius, it's activating growth empilweni yakho. There might be traveling, you might be looking into higher education. Nje you have a bigger picture vision, and I love this. So yabona with the eclipse season kicking off, ngapha yi-fire horse energy, izinto zakho zizoba ne-momentum, and manje into emnandi ukuthi uzobe u-enjoya i-mental clarity. Kunama-opportunities zokuthi ufunde izinto ey'ningi ezintsha, ukwazi ukuthi ushare ama-ideas akho with a wider audience. Nje izinto zizoshintsha empilweni yakho, but zizoshintsha with i-purpose. So don't try and control izinto through trying to make sure ukuthi they make sense too much over here. Yabona, just allow i-curiosity moving forward. I-focus yakho iyashifta-ke, izongena, but le enyangeni izongena into i-career ne-public life yakho. Yabona uMercury lana uzo-retrograde in your professional sector. So yabona izinto uzobe uyifila deeply. Yabona ama-plans akho onawo with regards to izinto zomsebenzi azothi ukuthi ukuslower down to a certain degree, azofila confusing. It's because ama-goals akho, they just need a bit of a revision, and just understand ukuthi-ke when things slow down akusiyo i-failure, you are just being redirected. Just allow for the flow of izinto. So instead of ukuthi bese you are overthinker, you overanalyze, you become overly critical, don't spiral. Instead sebenzise lesikhathi to just reflect, nanokuthi nje redefine ukuthi success ichaza ukuthini kuwe. Yabona, you are in a space lapho onga-recreate khona impilo yakho, but fanele uzazi ukuthi wena uphupha of impilo ekanjani. So without forcing nje izinto, and without wanting to have ama-answers readily available, nanokuthi-ke u-understand yonke into eyenzakalayo empilweni yakho, just trust in the divine. uFebruary uthi nje trust ukuthi mangabe sekufanele izinto zakho uzazi ukuthi zihamba kanjani futhi zizokwenzeka kanjani, you will just have clarity. The divine is always going to intervene. So release stress. My Libras, no time to waste, asingene ey'ntweni zenu. So I love this for you. I love this for you because in the past couple of months bengithi mangabe ngini-check-ela izinto zenu ma-Libra, uthola ukuthi izinto zenu ayihambi kahle, particularly when it came to ama-relationships. So I love ukuthi le energy lena ye-full moon inilethela i-clarity. So nje uyabona ukuthi izinto they have started to lighten up, nabantu obathandayo nabakuthandayo bakunikeza i-support. So uyabona things are lighting up in your friendship, in your friendship zone, in your community, yabona nje in your long-term goal sector. So le energy lena oyilethelwa i-full moon, oh my God, I'm not feeling well. Le energy lena oyilethelwa i-full moon ithi-ke ubukisise kahle izinto that busy ozakhayo, uphinde uyibuze ukuthi-ke ikuphi lapho othola khona a sense of belonging. So yabona, otherwise kunezinto obulokuzenza ezikwenza ukuthi-ke ufile proud, and it's not just an individual achievement but i-collective achievement, because we are including bonke labantu who love you so much, bonke labantu who have been supporting you through izinto ey'ningi obundlula kuzo. So you are stepping into i-role ezokwenza ukuthi-ke ube more visible, whether isemsebenzini, whether it's in your friend group or maybe isemndenini. Uyabona nje ukuthi-ke kunama-social circles, kunama-dynamics that you are part of and you are comfortable in dala, but manje usuyabona ukuthi akusahambelani nalo muntu lona that impilo has been shaping you to be. I-future yakho nje ayisahambiselani with having labo bantu labo around wena. So into engifuna nje ukuthi ube careful of yona, because wena Libra you have this problem of ukuthi-ke uyi-self-sacrifice, uthule just because ufuna ukuthi akube ne-peace. You people please too much, and you allow abanye abantu ukuthi to change the course of your life just because ufuna ukuthi kubukeke ngazathi wena you are so flexible and in alignment nabanye abantu. No, manje it's time for you to be in alignment with your destiny, okay? So nje just angifuna ukuthi ungabi scared of rocking the boat here and there. So uyabona le full moon iyakutshela mani ukuthi wena you have to be aligned nezinto ezihambiselana nawe, rather than ukuthi lokhu ufuna i-approval of abantu that are around you. Alright, so ake sibheke ukuthi inyanga mayiloku iqhubeka, since sibhekile ukuthi i-introduction into the month ikuphatheleni. So ake sibheke ukuthi laphayana moving into boma mid-month kwenzakalani empilweni yakho. So izinto at least zizoqala-ke manje zibe na-more depth. So masibheka nje laphayana around boma 13 za February, Saturn, I've done a video over on TikTok. So Saturn lana is going to angithi-ke usephumile ku-Pisces, ungena kuphi ku-Aries. So if we understand leyo nto leyo, go and look at i-video yami engiyenzile over on TikTok. So lento lena ihambiselana izobe in conjunction with uplanet Neptune. So leyo nto i-conjunction with uplanet Neptune yenzakala laphayana ngeyi-20 za February. So lento wena for wena again i-activator i-partnership as well as nezinto zomshado or ama-relationships for the next coming years. So probably boma 2-3 years njengo Capricorn. So lento izobe kunama chapters avalekile, so manje ke sekuvuleka ama chapters amasha, kuzobe kunama reality checks for wena. Kuzofanele ukuthi usethe ama boundaries, lento yakho yoku people pleaser uthi usethe no more people pleasing, no more self-sacrificing. So in order for ukuthi-ke kuhlangane ama-long-term commitments lana, uNeptune udissolve wonke lama illusions ley'toro buloku uyitshela zona about abantu, about certain relationships, lama rose-colored glasses that obuwafaka in order to look at certain situations. Usethe uthi ushaya lawo ma-glasses walahlela le khona uzoqala ufacane ne-reality and stop making things up in your head. Alright, so nje there's a level of honesty ekufanele uyi-reach Libra. and it's so level honesty. Fanele kuphume ekujuleni kwenhliziyo yakho leli qiniso leli or ekujuleni of something in your body, but nje somewhere. So yabona izinto zakho they are reshaping, ama-relationships akho they are reshaping. So amanye ama-connections nje asewumthwalo, they are so heavy, they are so serious, they are more demanding, while amanye you can see ukuthi-ke nje la abantu that ozoqhubeka nabo uze ube mdala nje uze uyoguga, these are long-term relationships. So kunama-shifts that are happening, but yonke into iqala ngaphakathi. Yabona, the most important relationship that you are gonna have is i-relationship with yourself. So yabona, and nayo it's like iya-reshape, it's being redesigned or being refined. Yabona, ama-standards akho fanele akhuphuke. You've had to raise ama-standards akho, but maybe you've been working on not feeling guilty about yabo khuphula isilumiso. So in terms of i-creativity, i-romance, nokuthi nje ukwazi ukuthi-ke uyi-express, kuzobeke kune-unpredictability, but it's fine. Remember, we spoke about you ukuthi ube comfortable ngokuthi usho ezinye izinto ezizobringa iqiniso into the light. Ungalokhu usaba ukuthi manje angeke kusaba nokuzwana, usezongibuka kanjani, usezothini, ubani, yabo izinto ezikanjalo. So nje, and I love the fact that uzobe uba more creative and romantically izinto zakho at a turning point. So usuzobona ukuthi yini kahle kahle kulethela injabulo, yini futhi ekutshontshelelayo injabulo. Le energy izokwenza ufeel uncomfortable ke, because wena sometimes uthanda facana nale toro ikhandile in your head rather than with reality. So but nje once you are faced with the reality of every situation, uzobona ukuthi izokulethela inkululeko emnandi kanjani in your body. So i-challenge lana nje ukuthi uyayithanda i-pleasure, but-ke sometimes ezinye izinto ukuthi choose the pleasure, choose to be authentic, choose to be passionate, choose to go to enjoy izinto with unapologetically without over explaining yourself. Ama-planets are giving you the go ahead. So yabona, if kuba nje nezinto obona ngazathi something is being left behind noma something is falling apart because when you are over here enjoying life, let it burn, shiya kanjalo. So otherwise nje, don't neglect your health. Kuyo yonke into yenza, don't neglect your health. Zama ukuthi ubalance izinto zakho in your daily life. Slow down when you feel the need to slow down. Nje ziningi ifundo wena ubuloku undlula kuzo, lokufunda izinto eziningi. So it's time to ukuthi ubonakalise ukuthi uyiphasile all those tests and all those challenges and all those lessons ama-planets abeloku ekudlulisa kuzo. Wabonisa ukuthi ke uphasile and you are much wiser manje. So with Mercury entering into retrograde, kunama-habit-ke nezinto obuloku uzenza kudala ekuzofanele ukuthi-ke uyibhekisise kahle, uyibheke futhi ukuthi ziyi-affecta kanjani i-energy yakho okukudrainayo. You know ukuthi-ke it's time for that to change. So uFebruary uthi nje, don't rush ama-relationship decisions. Yabona manje, you have to be in a state of clarity. Fanele ukwazi ukuthi-ke ube neqiniso nawe, neqiniso ngezimo okuzo. Kuyo yonke into oyakhayo, i-foundation yakho fanele kube yi-support, kube uthando, kube yi-partnership, and kube yi-self-respect, and that is huge. So ama-choices manje owenza kule nyanga lena are going to impact izinto zakho going forward. So make sure ukuthi whatever you do, choose wisely. Aquarius, ake sibheke izinto zakho. So inyanga-ke wena looking at izinto zakho from the 1st of February with the full moon in Leo. So izinto zakho bezikuphi? Bezi-illuminator laphayana ku-partnership sector yakho. So when you are at a point lapho uthando, i-commitment, u-collaborator, nje izinto yazi engingasho ukuthi-ke ama-long standing dynamics, kudingeka i-clarity lana. Izinto nje obulokhu unga-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani, umephi, awusakwazi ukuthi uqhubeke and be in that energy. Yabona, into engiyithandayo lana ukuthi-ke finally you feel seen. Yabona, you feel seen ngendlela entsha, and then it's like you are in this place of i-realization about ama-relationships, ukuthi ama-relationships akho, whether ama-relationships, ama-partnerships, wena you've been more about ukuperforma rather than ukuthi nje being authentic and being present. So lana just be careful ukuthi, ngiyabona njengoba kulokhu kwenzeka ama-shifts, be careful of ama-ego clashes and try not to project. Instead mawubona ukuthi-ke into awuyizwisisi kahle noma awukho sure, thula ulalele. Alikho icala ngokulalela. We don't always have to be here. Yabo. I-growth nje for wena, it comes through ama-connections angempela. Leyo nto leyo, it doesn't threaten i-independence yakho. Instead nje iyayi-strengthenisha. So understand lokho ukuthi-ke it's fine to have genuine and authentic connections rather than lawa a-superficially but are exciting. Yabona manje we are in an energy of pivoting. So it's either you are pivoting towards certain directions or certain things are pivoting towards you. Asibheke kwakho. So nje yabona ukuqala sithi manje for the first 3 weeks izinto zakho ngeke kuze kube yizinto that are happening in the background noma behind the scenes. Yabona nje mase silaphayana around the new moon, mangabe futhi sekwenzeka i-solar eclipse, kuzobe kune-identity reset for wena. And lento izoqhubeka again like u-Capricorn, now izoqhubeka for the next 2 to 3 years. Yabona izinto ezobe zenzeka, ama-shifts azobe enzeka ku-sign yakho are not casual. Izinto ezi-serious ngempela. Izinto God. Tswiri. Iphumaphi? Aquarius yabona-ke. Ngapha ngiyagula i-hay fever, amehla abomvu, indlebe zaluma, ikhala liyaluma, nawe ungithumela amatswiri. Asiqhubeke khona ngizoqeda nje lento le. You are shedding the old version of yourself. Shedding leyo yenzayo la. Hayi Aquarius ngeke. Yabona kushintsha ama-roles akho, kushintsha ama-labels, kushintsha indlela that you move through the world. Izinto nje that no longer fit you ziyahamba njengale tswiri. Yabona how eclipse it's going to be squaring in with Uranus. Oh, ama-changes wena are going to destabilize you at first. Izinto they are going to feel sudden. Yabona nje izinto zakho, ama-plans zakho nezinto zakho kuzoshifta very quickly. Ngisaba nokuphoza manje. Woo! I-sense of direction yakho is going to evolve overnight. Wena nje whatever eyenzakalayo, just trust it. Yabona izinto zakho zenza sure nje ukuthi-ke you present the world with a more authentic version of yourself and with a less ngathini, scripted version of you. Yabona izinto you are going to feel them deeply. Yeah, you're going to ama-changes ayizobe uwafila and futhi-ke kune-momentum nama-shifts azobenzeka laphayana in your fourth house, i-family, ikhaya and as well as ama-emotions akho. Izinto nje ey'mayelane nempande. Kuzobe kune-growth laphayana eyenzakalayo but it requires i-movement from wena. And le movement disrupta i-comfort. Don't think ukuthi-ke just because izinto zizobe zingekho stable ukuthi nje it's just nje ukuthi izinto zakho nje zi-upside down for no reason. No, there is a valid reason. Izinto zakho they are going to come back together beautifully. And uzozizwa more freedom, uzozizwa unenkululeko kakhulu. Yabona nje i-universe ithi-ke awukuchoose izinto ezizo-evolve rather than izinto osuwayijwayela kakhulu, izinto osuzaziyo ukuthi okay wenza kanjani in order to navigate through certain things. Yabona lapha boma mid-month uSaturn uyangena uzokwenza iy'nto zakhe laphayana empilweni yakho, as well as uNeptune. So lezi zinto zi-activate-a indlela okhuluma ngayo, indlela o-engage ngayo nabantu, indlela ocabanga ngayo, as well as nendlela oprocessa ngayo i-information. Abanye benu bayafunda and uzobe unama-ideas amahle kabi azobe ekhama through empilweni yakho. Make sure you take them seriously and ungathi ube ne-idea, oh Nkosi yami yonke into engithintayo manje sengiyasala. Ungathi mangabe uba ne-idea bese ungayilandeli i-idea yakho. U-planet Saturn uzele lokhu ukuthi ube disciplined. Yabona uNeptune uzokunikeza all these visions, all these dreams, ekuzocreate-ela these brilliant ideas. But uSaturn uthi be disciplined in execution. Have structure. Iba ne-order. Be intentional, especially mangabe u-communicator. Because lana you'll find yourself having to communicate i-vision yakho rather than ukuthi ukhulume izinto ezikwenza usound ngathi uyayintantela nje emoyeni. Kune-tension nje osazoyifila kule nyanga lena because ngapha uyayithanda i-excitement, uyayithanda i-freedom, but ngaphi i-responsibility iyadingeka. Yabona ama-breakthroughs akho azofika lapho sekune-balance of these two things, i-freedom ne-responsibility, and you can have both. Impilo yakho nje is just being reshaped, and be flexible and be adaptable. It's fine if umhlaba ukubona for who you really are or who you are becoming. There's nothing wrong with taking shape in front of people. Even if abantu bakubona ngendlela ongajwayelanga ukuthi-ke bakubone ngayo. There's nothing wrong with that. Sometimes nje we have to allow ama-masks to fall. Kuvele the authentic version of ourselves. I hope this helps.